Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I'm going to do a little exhibition video for you. And you are looking at next month, the month of October, the prizes that the drawing winner, whoever's name is drawn at the end of the month, will get to choose two of. So there we go. Now I'm going to try and zoom out. Take my rubber bands off. No, maybe not. I'll leave my rubber bands up there for now. So those are 6x6x2s. Those are my two books, called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they are available on the Amazon link under the link tree. The link tree is directly under the video. And I'm going to show you roughly 53 paintings. I usually make some adjustments before I'm done. Starting with that little, yeah, there's a rip in there, but that's just for this. So, let's see if I can get myself where I'm supposed to be. Oh, there we go. That's kind of cool. I can zoom in. I wonder if I should actually focus. That might be cool. Alright, so that's a 10 by 10 inch round. If you guys are interested in making a purchase at all, my email address is below the link tree, and make a note of the time you see whatever you were shown. I've got a couple other rounds. Actually, that one I know you saw. This one I'm not so sure you saw. I think I lost it at the time. And I'm going to this is going to be my step class, because I'm just going to keep stepping up and down on my ladder and see how that works for this exhibition video. Hopefully I won't be jiggling the table too much. So this is gorgeous for me. I love this. Also, I found this was left over and I don't think was included, and that needs to be shimmered. That needs to be seen. Beautiful shimmer in that painting. Just gorgeous. And I don't think it's for sale, but I do have some prints. I don't know. Anything's possible right now, because subscriber count has almost disappeared, and along with that are my viewers. So I'm starting out here with a stack of geometrics. This is 16 by 20 by 2, and I pre-painted that background black myself, my colors. Then I did this just playfully on a primed canvas, and it really doesn't, you can't tell. It came out perfectly. I love the way it looks, and chances are I will be doing that again. So let's just make a stack of these. Same with this one. And I could give it a nice spray finish and it would be completely done. Good shimmer. I think the gold was matte, some stuff I had left over from an indoor-outdoor decor at Americana. This has beautiful shimmer. Hopefully you can see some of that. I'm going to have to go check and maybe focus. And maybe zoom a little. Maybe zoom a lot. Pretty colors. I'll try not to shout in your ear. I'll try and straighten my camera out. Somebody asked me if I could get my head out of the way to the camera, and I would if I could. You guys need to know that. But it's on a table, attached to a floor lamp, dangling from part of a tripod, attached by wire ties, and using rubber bands to keep it in place right now. This is another one. That Venetian blue is the bomb. It's got iridescence in it. And I think this is just after I got my 24 karat gold Decor Americana metallic back. This was obnoxious when it was wet, and I was not sure how I was going to feel about it. And I love it dry. I'm not sure entirely which, yeah, I've got that position. Let's see if I can make sure you're not being denied a view. There we go. Alright, it's my step class. Great, excellent shimmer. I love these. I do geometrics in a bunch of different styles. These are my favorite colors. I did a painting in these similar colors not that long ago. Well, maybe a couple months ago. And now there's a pair or a mate to it, because they're gorgeous. Just perfect. I wasn't sure if you guys had a chance to see this or not last month. I think it was from last month, but I think it was right around the time. Remember to make a note of the time, speaking of the time, if you have an interest in making a purchase. And anything that you see that isn't posted to Fine Art America or Pixels.com, both links of which you can find on my link tree below the video, I can post pretty much anything you see, and I have posted quite a few cool things. This is a new swipe. You haven't seen this video yet. This has got some awesome shimmer, awesome iridescence, beautiful cells, and I can't wait to share it with you. And now I'm going to pull over. I want to make sure you saw all of that. Let me see if I can, yeah, let's zoom in for a second. And try and focus. And zoom out. And refocus. All right. So here are my ring pours. This was, you know what? I'm going to have to just keep climbing up on that ladder for sure. You just consider that that a close-up. I wasn't sure how I was going to like it dry, and I like it a lot. So this is Space Polywogs. That was recent. I can't remember if this one has a title or not, but I love it. That's me, that's my style. I believe this one had something similar to Black Opal in its title, and that is the way I decided that was going to go. This is just an obnoxious party on canvas. I don't think I've shared that video with you yet, but it's probably coming. I think this is a multi-process ring pour or traveling ribbon pour, whatever you want to call it. And hopefully these are in focus somewhat. That would be good, wouldn't it? Alright, one more. This is my lantern series. That's definitely ribbons. I'm going to have to zoom out in a second. I have a whole nother small stack coming your way. Right now. I love this chain pull. I really, really do. Hopefully I can get all these done and still keep hopping up and down on my stool. Love, love, love that. That, I'm not even sure there's a video for that, but if there is a video for that, it certainly changed a lot in the end. And I should have shimmered the last painting. This is not overly shimmer except for this incredible blue. This was a dribble painting to begin with and is a recent video just before this one, probably within the last 2 weeks. And it's Jackson Pollock meets spirals. And I love that. Oh look, I've got some great golden shimmer in there. Hopefully most of that is... This is a video you haven't seen yet. It's stripes, and I think it was shovels, and it reminds me, these little tiny spotty cells remind me of a night sky. For some reason it reminds me of a landscape. I don't think you've seen this yet. Maybe you have. I think so. Changed my mind. Try not to kick the paintings. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. That's really cool. I think that was a ring pour. Let's focus. Alright, I've got this little beauty, which actually I think goes like this. I gotta move some paintings so I don't kick them again. There we go, almost done. Ready or not, here I come. Up on the stool. Oh, zoom out to see. I should go the other way, shouldn't I? Well, those of you who have a tablet will be able to see a close-up of that. We'll just zoom right in there. Sort of, kind of. It's interesting. I need to tape down a square. Yeah, not a circle. A square. Anyway, I love you guys. I've got over 90,000 subscribers. Not that I'm getting any more lately, because it's been slim pickings. I am going to show you a video artwork that you haven't seen yet. Hopefully it's in the right spot. Yeah, it is. Let's go a little that way. Maybe I'll even be able to zoom in on that dragon. No, not much. Oh well, sorry about that. If I take the rubber bands off my camera mount, I could probably do that. But you guys will see that. That's on my Instagram. I gave a close-up on my Instagram. So, I'm not sure how I feel about this tree yet. This is a 3-part video. Trees are not quick. Let's zoom out again. I should zoom in again. Well, anyway, I wanted to sunset behind and I got it. I think you guys, this was something of a recent video. Let's make sure we're in position. Some shimmer, not much. I like that. This is my ring pour clouds. And I love that. This I did a few days ago. And at the very last second I added that blue strip, which is pretty cool because I like it now and I wasn't so sure about it right then. This has got some great shimmer. Super duper great shimmer. Especially that blue. Am I all in frame? I am. I thought I had this sold. Somebody got mad at me before they even got the price. My prices are not inexpensive. They're meant to protect my collectors. When I sell a painting, it helps support the studio. I don't sell tons of them and I don't need to. Someday I'll have a gallery in a place where there are actually tourists who might like to buy something of mine. I'm going to move that out of here. Here are my 14 by 14s. And I love this. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I do. And there is shimmer. This is not yellow. That's yellow. This is not yellow. This is gold. There's some great shimmer in there. This is one of my all-time recent favorite paintings. It's a few days ago. Or day before yesterday, anyway. I don't know what to call that. That was an everything thing. It's got cells. It's a cute little scape. Those were pink clouds, and they are because it's a color shift, but they turn gold, which makes them really kind of neat. This was the Lantern series. I love this. I call these sweeps. It's got great shimmer. Not everywhere, but that's the balance of matte and shimmery is just perfect. I still love this too. These are paintings that if they didn't sell, it would be okay with me. It wouldn't bother me a bit. But if they do, then somebody will give them a good home. This is my animals. My animal series right now. This is today's video. Hopefully. I'll get this published today. I got a couple spots. Looks like I need to add a little dot of black here and there, but that's about it. That's Sasha Fierce, my pink dragon, and she is a print on Fine Art America and Pixels.com. You can find those things on my Facebook pages, and my Facebook pages are linked on the link tree below the video, along with Pixels.com and Fine Art America, and Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Saatchi Art, and my website. So here's my fish dragon. That was the second in a series. The series started, I didn't know. You know what? That painting is missing. I wonder where it is. Ah, I would like it. Oh, I know where it is. It's in another pile. I wonder how much time we have left. Let's check. I got 3 minutes. I can do this. This is my husband named this bird of paradise. It's a very golden, green golden bird. And a very wintry abstract background. Here is my moose dragon. Let's make sure I can focus in on some of these. We'll give him a good focus. Just because he's so charming. I want to say thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. And don't forget to keep your eye out for the time if you have an inclination to inquire about the purchase of an artwork. And know that anything can be printed. I believe I just added the Moose Dragon today to my Fine Art America. These are 10 by 10s. This is, oh, that's actually close enough. Cool. That's a perfect zoom. Well, maybe not anymore. So I didn't name this little critter, but it's got an eye. It's got a little beak. It's got a little foot. I think it's even got a little flipper or something. Purple hair or whatever you imagine. It's all good. This is from my Lantern series. That's got great shimmer. The scarlet red Rust-Oleum paint in the background does not have a lot of shimmer, but it was referred to as a metallic, which kind of confuses me a little bit. But it still came out great. It still looks great. Oh, the sun is coming out. Awesome. I don't think you guys have seen this yet or not. I don't think so. It's a stripe. It's just something I really like. This is from the Bloom Fiasco series, and that's a swipe fix. And it's a simple fix, and I liked it the way it was. So there's the one that I think of as the Russian fairy tale. Let's make sure I zoomed in a little bit. Ah, there you go. And I have a background. Well, I thought it was a background, and actually at this point I think I'm just going to let it be. I really like the shimmer of the paints. The iridescent paints in there are gorgeous. This is not a video. I was making my girlfriend a birthday present, and I had leftover paints. And it's not for sale, but there are prints. And the prints have this area of purple much brighter. They're really pretty pictures of the fresh, wet artwork. This I adore. I don't know why I love it so much. I think maybe because there's so many cells in there. If I drop the rubber bands off my camera mount, I could probably give you guys a much better close-up. But I've got two 20 by 20s at the end of this. Let's see if I can do that. Come on down. There we go. Sorry about the bumpy. Okay, let's see if I can give a close-up. No, that was unsatisfying. I'm so sorry. I got your hopes up and then... Alright, I love you guys. There's over 90,000 of you subscribed, I think I said. Be nice if more than 200 of you would watch a video in a day, but I do publish every day, around 10 a.m. And on weekends, 10 p.m. too. So, I love that. I wish you could see it better. I'll show you some shimmer. This one has plenty of shimmer, and I don't think I showed you that well enough. And that one, I don't know if you had a whole picture of that either. So this is from the Bloom Fiasco series, and I actually did get some blooms. I just don't think I'm capable of pouring them off once I have something I like. So that's how I roll, and I will be doing more blooms. This was leftover paints. I don't think there's a video for that. That was just leftover paints from Bloom Paints, poured or scraped up out of a dish. So these are my last two pieces, and I lost the video. Let's go there. I lost the video for this. I'm going to have to zoom out. Give me a moment. Get up on my ladder. It's got that Rust-Oleum scarlet red in the background. It's actually got either 3 or 4 coats of it, actually, because it didn't cover as well as I'd like it to. I wish it had. This is a magnificent, magnificent artwork, which I am so very sad to have lost the recording of. I don't know what happened. It was a glitch in my camera. So, my very last piece you have not seen yet, but you will be seeing a video of it very shortly. I think even maybe from whenever this video was posted, it'll be the very next day or the day after. Let's pull that back in. I want to say this is a short one. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you that I have 2 books because I can, and unlimited possibilities. And they are on the Amazon link, where if you shop, you help me out at no added cost to you, and I really appreciate it. I want to thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you leave me all the time. They boost my morale in the face of despair. And there is some of that right now, and I'm trying to be cheerful. I really, really am. So my Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, and I post tomorrow's video there, sometimes the night before. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More. Did I say that right? Yeah. Okay, is where you can find a Shop Now button that'll lead you to Fine Art America or Pixels.com. And if you guys have questions, please feel free to ask me. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm about $9,750 short of my $100,000, yeah, I wish,